Hi guys, I'm Chinel. Welcome to Chinel's Life Diaries best vlog ever on YouTube. Yeah. Okay, so this will be like an introduction kind of video, introduction slash a room tour kind of video. In this page, we are going to be very raw and very real. Okay, there is nothing that we're gonna hide from you. We just want to show you a journey, a beginning, and have everything on camera. So when we have grown-up children, when our children grow up tomorrow, they can also see where their parents started from. Because I mean, you get. So my name is Chinel, and my man's name is Life, so that is why we have Chinese Life there. You guys should ignore this. Okay, I woke up 2 3 days ago and I started feeling itchy. That particular spot I feeling itchy, so I scratched it and boom, that came out. So ignore that. So I said this would be like a mini kind of introduction and also a room tour kind of vlog. So come with me, let me welcome you to our beautiful small family. Hi guys, welcome to our home. So the first thing you're going to see while entering our home is this beautiful mattress right here. It's a double mattress and it's very close to a window where we have slide curtain. So behind this entrance door you will see my man's wardrobe. Okay, this is his towel. He loves white. So let me slide this curtain back so it can be very clean. Okay, so behind the door, the first thing you're going to see is this towel and my towel, and this is his wardrobe. Everything in here is let's close that back. Trust me, he is well organized guy. I am the scattered person. He is very much organized. So right here we have a 4 feet two mattress laid together. Just ignore this. I just woke up from bed. I told you that this space we are not going to like edit any part. You're going to see everything raw, and you see a beginning completely nothing different. That everything will be very raw and pure. So the next thing you're going to be seeing is a tiny bed, a tiny student bed here. Yeah, we've had that for a while. That's just a tiny student bed. Before I woke up this morning, my man already does the cleaning and gone to work. Before I woke up and he was already gone. I feel really bad. God bless my man, honestly. So after that, after seeing a mattress, the next thing you're going to be seeing is a mirror, which is directly opposite our entrance. This is our entrance door. This is our entrance door. You see a mirror right here, mirror that right there. And after a mirror, you're going to see this sofa. I don't know what to call it, if it's a chair or a sofa. I don't know, or I don't know, I don't know. You just see this chair here. And mind you guys, we stay in a one room self-contained. I told you guys that this vlog, this space, this channel is all about our growth from a very little beginning till we get there. Okay, I'm definitely going to introduce him also on this space, but for now he's that kind of busy person and is not always camera friendly. So I'm still going to like drag him. That is why I name we give this channel Chinel's Life Diary. My name is China, like I said earlier, and his name is Life. And yeah, it's a collaboration of two strengths, two different person building their lives together. So after the sofa, the next you're going to see is a center table. I told you this man already does the cleaning before I woke up. Look at that sparkling everywhere. When he cleans, you'll be rest assured that everywhere will be sparkling. So this is a center table. Of course, this is plain. There's something on that lid, and we eat here most of the times. Then after that, opposite this chair, you're going to see this I don't know if it's a two-seater chair or three-seater, I don't know, but I think it's a two-seater chair. You see this two-seater chair, and also we have a window blind right here behind it. So in this a mini house, this is our entrance door, guys. So in this a mini house, we have a curtain, a window here, which is this one, the first window, and this is the second window. By your right hand is when you enter is my man's wardrobe, and by your left is this sitter chair. Opposite it we have a bed. So here is just some of his client stuff that is still working on, and yeah, this is our bedroom. Let me on the light. So voila, we have quite stuff. This is a drum of water. Okay, then we have I don't know what to call this, but yeah, this is here. This is our toilet. That's our toilet brush. That's our toilet sponge, the one we use in washing anything, maybe the floor, the toilet, whatever, the bathtub. And we have those baths there in case we want to wash. And we have a jerry can here that there's hot water inside also, in case we never decide to do anyhow. So right there is our toothbrush rack, and this is my sponge. I do not use sponge because anytime I use sponge, I always have inchy. I always scratch like 30 to 1 hour. I'll be scratching my body really bad. It's been like that for like up to 10 years or 8 to 10 years now. So my doctor advised me not to use sponge anymore and go with a soft towel. So yeah, that is it, and that is own sponge, and that is a soap, a detergent bowl, and here we have a mini window and also a what is it called, air freshener right there. So that is basically what we have in our bedroom. And yeah, so behind this curtain is what we use as our kitchen. But before we get to that part, this is our TV set. We have a home theater, oh, small home theater. We have a small student fridge, which we don't even use for now, but maybe later I'll take it to my own store. So this is my CAC certificate, and oops, you guys are not going to see that. This is my CAC certificate, and this other paper I'm not gonna show you guys yet. It's still a secret, guys. So this is our fridge. There's nothing in there for now. We are out of groceries and all of that, so there's nothing in this, empty. Then when you slide this particular curtain, what you're going to see is also some of the stuff. Some of the stuff is stuff and mine, then some of my stuff also. So right here is a shoe rack. Then we use this particular spot. We use this particular spot as our kitchen arrangement. That is why I told you all that we are staying in a room safe corner. And trust me, I will not be editing anything. This is just like our little beginning. This is a beginning, and it is not always going to be like this. Definitely we are gonna grow, but I want to carry you guys along step by step stage of our lives till. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye. Mwah.